In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Cursor AI Pro for free. Whether you're looking to explore this powerful tool thoroughly without committing financially or simply want to make the most out of your trials, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, head over to the Cursor website. You can easily find this by typing Cursor into your favorite search engine and clicking the appropriate link. This is your starting point. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see various options and plans available. Don't be overwhelmed by the choices. We're going to dive into how you can access the Pro features without the cost. Now, let's talk about the first method. Cursor offers a 14-day or 14-day free trial of their Pro version. It's a great opportunity to test the full range of features. However, it's important to note that you'll need to enter your payment details to activate this trial. They promise not to charge you until the trial ends. This is a common practice to ensure continuous service after the trial period if you decide to keep using it. Make sure you input your details correctly and set a reminder to revisit this before the end of the trial period. Canceling your subscription before the trial ends is crucial if you wish to avoid any charges. To do this, navigate back to your account page on the Cursor website and follow the cancellation process outlined there. It's pretty straightforward, but doing this ahead of time can save you from unwanted expenses and ensure you're not charged accidentally. Alternatively, if you're unsure about committing to the full 2 weeks, Cursor also provides a 7-day trial. This is beneficial if you just want a quick overview of the Pro features. The process to begin this is similar. Visit their website, choose the 7-day trial, and you'll be set to explore Cursor AI Pro. For students, there's an even better deal. If you're currently enrolled in an eligible university, you could receive a whole year of Cursor Pro entirely free. To do this, you need to verify your student status. Typically, this involves a simple process of providing your university email address or other proof of enrollment. It's an incredible offer for students who want to leverage AI tools for their studies without the burden of subscription fees. With all these options available, getting started with Cursor AI Pro for free is straightforward and offers flexibility whether you're a student or just trying out the service. Remember, the key is to track your trials, understand the terms, and utilize the offers suited best for you. Good luck on your AI journey, and I hope you find Cursor Pro a valuable tool for your tasks. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.